A pleasant day, everyone. Today, we're kicking off an exciting adventure along one of New Zealand's most stunning trails, the Abel Tasman Coastal Track. Over the next 2 days, we'll be hiking through lush forest and vibrant native bush. Join us as we explore one of New Zealand's great walks.
Our journey began at Totaranui, a pristine bay renowned for its golden beaches and clear turquoise waters. Totaranui serves as a popular starting point for hikers exploring the Abel Tasman National Park. The area is a haven for campers, kayakers and nature lovers alike, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the lush native bush. The trek from Totaranui to Awaroa Lodge is suitable for a day hike or a leisurely multi-day adventure. The trail is well maintained and marked, winding through the native forest, along sandy beaches and over rocky headlands. We're currently in Goats Bay, just about to walk over the hill to Awaroa.
And then it was a half-hour walk to the lodge.
Our hike on the second day started at Barks Bay, a picturesque spot known for its golden sandy beaches and clear waters. The area is accessible via water taxi, kayak, or by walking the trail from nearby points. We set off along the well-maintained track, eager to explore the diverse landscapes that awaited. The trail from Bark Bay to Anchorage Path meanders through native bush, offering glimpses of the vibrant flora and fauna. As we traversed the track, we appreciated the gradual change in scenery, from dense forest areas to open vistas of the coastline.
Last one, Johnny? You're the last one? You're the last one? The last one.
This is our third day here in Tasman District, South Island of New Zealand. Our original plan was to have a 3-day hike. However, after the second hike yesterday, we experienced sore back. So we decided that today, being the third day, is to have a more relaxing, slow pace. We are currently walking to find this cafe that everyone is raving about. So we're going to do a short walk today and just look around Marahau. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up or share your thoughts in the comments below. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more great content. We appreciate your support. See you in the next video.